Hey, good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. The sun is coming out today, so hopefully you guys get your work done early and you can get outside and do whatever you guys do. I'm thinking about doing some type of video, whether it be like a review or a check-in or a, hey, what can I help you with? I know Miss Kalani's doing one on Wednesday, so I don't want to do one the same day that Miss Kalani's doing. So maybe a Thursday or a Friday. Maybe you guys can send me a remind. Let me know what day is better for you. But let's take a look at some of your homework answers from yesterday. We had 6 hopefully easy problems. You had to just find the area. So over here was your formula, length times width. You could have used base times height if you wanted. And you really just wanted to multiply the length and the width. If you did that, you got 30 inches squared. Remember, it's squared because it's a 2-dimensional figure. It's got a length and a width. I had a lot of feedback. I had Murph give me feedback from period 6 saying he thought area was easier than perimeter. Well, that made me smile. Here's question 2. Same concept. 12.5 times 12.5 gives you 156 and 25 hundredths inches squared. And this one here, a couple of you had incorrect. Some of you didn't use 88. Some of you used 100. Remember, when you go to the doctor's office and they want your height, you're not leaning over. You're not about to fall over. It's that straight line going straight up and down. All right, let's go to the next page. Feel free to pause this at any time. All right, we've got the area formula for number 1. I went with base times height. I did the base, the flat bottom, times the height, that 4 and 25 hundredths. And I got 36 and 125 thousandths millimeters squared. All right, pause if you need to check out your work. Number 5, here's your work. Always start with the formula. Base times height. Use my calculator. Got 1,872 meters squared. And number 6, last but not least, I got 345 kilometers squared. All right, so the last 2 days, we've spent some time talking about area and perimeter. We said the perimeter was when we add up all the exterior sides, all the outside sides, to get that total length. And we remembered that in perimeter, your label was just that label, no squares after. But with area, truly what you're doing to find the inside is you're trying to find how many square units, how many squares. So think about it. You have 8 feet, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you have 4 feet going across. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you counted up all of these squares, guess what you'd get? 32 feet squared. So there's always that option by drawing it as well. All right, today you're going to click on the link below this video. On this link, there's going to be a practice for you. This link, I know Billy wanted a hard copy so he could print it out on his printer. I'm going to ask all of you, if you have a printer, to print out this questionnaire. It's got 3 questions on it. It's pretty much one of each type. We have a rectangle, we have a parallelogram, and we have a square. And on each one of them, you're going to start with the formula. And you're going to calculate the perimeter and the area. Now, if you do not have a printer, it's not a problem. You could either, on a piece of paper, draw these, or if you're like my friend Fiona, she has this website called Cami. I'm assuming some of you know about it. You can actually go into Cami and you can actually draw right on your computer screen and then attach it to Google Classroom. So listen, you guys have all kinds of options. I hope you guys have a good Wednesday. Reach out to me if you need anything, and I will talk to you soon. All right, have a good day, everybody.